Hi guys, do you want to know how I made this beautiful balloon bouquet? Please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello, welcome to our channel and we're glad to have you here. This is FemMNY. Thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for supporting this channel. We're glad to have you here. So for today's video, I will be making another beautiful balloon bouquet, and this time the theme is Cocomelon. So we'll incorporate this in our bouquet. So all the materials that we have here that we use, we will put in the description down below. Okay, so now we will inflate our balloon first. So the purple one is actually 12 inches, so we will inflate this to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter. Okay, using our balloon sizer. Tie this together. I got pre-inflated already. Just like that. Put this here. And I have another 4. You do the same thing. Put this on the side for now. And we also have yellow. So yellow is actually 10 inches, and the same thing, we inflate this to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter. The same thing. So you have another 4. Just like that. So again, we'll put this on the side. So now we have our 7 inches chrome balloon, green. So now we'll inflate this to 4.5 inches or 11.43 centimeter. Just like that. Then put this together. Okay, so I already pre-made 3. Okay, alright, so now we need our fishing line. So this is actually 20-pound fishing line. So we'll attach one here. Got your fishing line, you will put one of this in between. Put it right in between the gap. And then after the yellow, the green, these are purple. Doing the same thing, put this on here. Then followed by yellow, so I alternate yellow, purple, yellow. Like that, and now we'll put this on the side. So the same thing, you'll put your green like that, give it a little push and shape like a figure number 8. So the last one is purple. So I'll cut the tip. And then just wrap this around here so it's nice and sturdier. And there goes your base. Alright, so now this is done. So on the side right here, we will put our balloon weight. So if you want to know how I made this, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. Please check that out. So again, we'll put this on the side. So what I do is find one of the end of your balloon and then connect it here. So just tie it together. Stay there, and then on the other side as well, the opposite end. Just like that. So this is heavier, so if you put this outside, it's nice and heavy. Okay, so we have our number 2 foil balloon. We'll put it right here. So in order to put that on, we will use our balloon, modeling balloon or 260Q. Just wrap this here. Measure, guys. Okay. So I'll hang this here for now. There's your number 2. Alright, so now we will attach the other foil balloon. The same thing, we will use our 260Q or modeling balloon. So there's 2 sides, this side and this side. So we will put the family side facing that direction. Again, I'm gonna let this hang right there. Alright, so we have the other foil balloon here. So this is the other side right here. And we also have 2 5 inches yellow latex balloon. We'll inflate this. Just make it the same size. Okay, now we have 2 balloons. We'll make this into quads. So like that, pinch it. Do the same thing on the opposite side. So now we'll put this in here, right in the center. So this time, put it here, but the opposite side. So for this one, I will use our balloon glue dots. I'm not gonna use the glue gun on this kind of balloon because this is too tight and too thin. It might pop. So I'll use our balloon glue dots. You can either use balloon glue dots or U glue dashes. Just like that. And then I have this balloon right here. So again, if you want to know how I made this, I think I already have a video tutorial on how to make this. Okay, if not, I will make another tutorial on how to make this. Okay, so we'll put this on here. And then we'll put glue here. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make some of this quads right here. So in order to make this, we have our balloon here. This is actually 12 inches. So I inflate this to 4 inches. All right. So attach this together. You need 2, like this. So pinch it here. Make sure it's kind of the same size on the opposite side. And then do the other balloon. And then you just do like that. So there goes your quad. Okay, so we'll make a bunch of this. So I actually have a lot of this, and I tie 1 260 karat modeling balloon on each of this. So you'll just have to spread this around. So I'll put one here. Put another one here. Alright, so we'll keep this for now and we'll add this later. Okay. Alright, so we have our 260Q. I inflated this all the way to the tip, leaving just a little. So we will fold this and then tie it together. 260Q modeling balloon. Like that. Alright, so once you have this, you want to fold this into half. Pinch it here on the half side, halfway. And then roll like that. So you do this on all of your modeling balloons. So you get them all like this. Now fold it. So you got them all like that. So go like this, then just twist them. And then this one as well. There you go, guys. So we'll add this to our bouquet. There's our bouquet. So remember on the side here, we have that extra thing earlier. So we'll just have to attach this here. Go just like that. Alright guys, so I will put this on this side as well, and again remember we have the extra along the side, so I'll put this on the bottom just so to push that number 2 a little like that so it's more straight. It will just help support your number 2. So push it up like that, so let's see if it's nice and straight. Right there, and I'll put orange here as well. Just like that, and this time we will incorporate this beautiful flower that I made. So again, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this, and if you are interested to know how I made this beautiful flower, please check that video right there. Okay, if you're new to this channel. Alright, so we will put this on right there in front, and again at the back I put 260Q, attach it to the center of your balloon, and then put it right here. And then the same thing, you just mount it here. So in that way you can easily turn this around like this or move it to the area where you like it. So now we know where to put this, so we'll just have to add here or anywhere you like it. And then for this one, we'll add this right on here. Alright, so we're ready to attach this one. Now there's 4 balloons, so we'll use our balloon glue dots. Okay, we'll put some here and some here, so I use a lot. Okay, let's take this here. Right there. Now it's time to personalize our bouquet. So this was printed from our Cameo 4 machine, and we have a different video tutorial on how to make this if you want to check that out. Okay, so we'll put this on there. Alright guys, this is it. This is finally done. This is our balloon bouquet, and theme is Cocomelon. We will inflate some helium balloon and we'll put it in the background, so that will be additional. But in this particular video, this is it. And if you haven't subscribed as of yet, please do subscribe to our channel. It'll help our channel grow. If you have a comment or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. With that said, thank you very much for watching, and once again, this is Personalization. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye!